my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Reet, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I blow dry my hair using Revlon's airbrush. I got this product in March on my birthday and I have been using it ever since. I'm obsessed with this product. It literally makes your hair look very shiny and the texture comes out to be very good as well, and it blow dries your hair literally in like 15 minutes. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So I've already towel dried my hair, and the first thing I'm gonna use on my hair is serum. So for serum, I'm gonna use TRESemme's Keratin Smooth Serum. The benefits of serum is that it removes any kind of frizziness, or if your hair are dry, it really helps in taking that dryness out of your hair. So I pumped a few pumps on my hand and I'm just warming the serum by rubbing my hands together, and I parted my hair into two sections, and now I'm gonna go from the mid lengths to the ends of my hair. So making sure that it applies on all of the hair in the section, and whatever is left on your hands you can go over on your scalp area as well. Then I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well, rubbing my hands to warm it a little, and then I'm gonna go from mid-lengths to the ends. It tames your baby hair or flyaways as well, so that is really good, and also it smoothens out your hair. So after applying my serum, I'm gonna comb through my hair so that my serum is evenly spread all over my hair. And then next up, I'm gonna use Professional Sebastian Potion 9 styling treatment. I'm gonna take a few pumps, maybe 3, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna rub them into my palms, and I'm gonna go from the mid-lengths to the ends. This really helps your hair by keeping it healthy and kind of forming a layer when you're blow drying them, and also it gives a beautiful texture after even if you blow dry your hair, and it also smoothens out your hair. I can feel that it has, like, my hair feels so much smoother and moisturized than it was before. And then I'm gonna go in again and comb my hair so that my product just goes evenly into my hair. The last thing I'm gonna use on my hair is heat protection. I'm using heat protection from TRESemme. It protects your hair from up to 230 degrees, and it also has vitamins, and it's a heat tamer spray. I always recommend using a heat spray. If you're not using any of the products, it's okay, but heat spray is very important if you're using any kind of hot tools on your hair. So I'm just gonna spray all over my hair, making sure that I'm spraying more on the ends, because ends are where we get more dry more easily. Back of your head and ends, and then I'm gonna just give my hair a little massage. For my partition, I'm going to take a part from right above my ears and slide my fingers to the back and separate the two parts, and tie the upper portion with clip or a hair tie. Since my hair are thick and they take time to dry, I'm splitting my one big section into two smaller sections. I'm going to take my airbrush and I'm setting the heat on low since it gets really hot, and then I've wrapped my hair around the brush and I'm sliding the brush outwards. Once I'm done with both the sections of my hair, I'm gonna go at the back of my head and kind of brush just to make sure that I'm covering all the hair, even at the back of my head. For the rest of the hair, the steps are same. It totally depends on you if you want to blow dry them outwards or inwards. I personally like it outwards because I have layers and it enhances my layers very well. For my crown area, I'm just separating my hair into two sections. And then I'm gonna tie one of the sections on the top with a clip or a hair tie. And then the other half I'm gonna split into two further sections. Since I have very thick hair on my crown area as well, and it takes time to dry if I do them together. And then I'm gonna kind of bring all my hair towards my face in the front to give it more of a curled effect. you so much guys for watching the whole video. I hope it was helpful for all of you, and if you liked the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and also share the video as much as you can. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do, and I will see you guys until the next time. Love you guys.